I'm a vegan, I'm a powerlifter, I represent Australia internationally, I'm an animal rights activist. I'm here today to talk about vegan strength.
Hi, it's Nadia here. I'm from the Vegan Italian Kitchen, and today we're going to be making one of my favourite recipes, walnut polpetti.
I'm Zachary Bird. I'm a vegan chef and cookbook author from Melbourne, Australia, and today we're making my battered mushroom calamari with the tzatziki mayo to boot.
You can still be vegan and keep your food traditions at the same time.
It's super easy. I swear the hardest part of this recipe is maintaining eye contact when you tell someone that it's calamari. That's delicious.
Good luck with the VeganEasy challenge. Remember, you can be compassionate and strong at the same time. Vegan power.
Good luck. Have fun. Make it happen.